I guess we're live, so let me start. Hello everyone, welcome to my first stream. For this, what's my first test stream? It's just me figuring out how to use OBS, how to set up my streaming thing. I just needed something to talk about. AI powered, oh, I don't know if you saw the air quotes, but AI powered face emoji app that automatically detects my expressions and overlays like the Animoji on my face. So as you can see, it's not very smooth, but it can read my facial expressions and automatically switch between different Animojis. I tried to see if there was a solution online which could let me do this out of the box, off the shelf, but Apple being Apple, I don't think they'll let you use Animoji on the Mac, so I had to find another way. And when every Tom, Dick and Harry is building an AI powered startup now, I was wondering why not do it myself and build something myself. And for this first stream, that's what we're going to talk about. The goal was very simple. I just needed an app that would detect my facial expressions in real time and automatically like overlay the Animoji, just like how Animoji moves smoothly on the iPhone. So the first thing I did was open the Animoji app on my iPhone. On the messages, click on new message and then click on Animoji and then start making faces. I had to capture a neutral expression like this, and then a big smile, and then a smirk, a frown, an open mouth. Doesn't seem to be working. A pucker. That isn't working either. A surprised face, like that. And then while I was doing each of these expressions, I captured a bunch of screenshots. And then before I could use it in the app, I had to remove the background. So I airdropped all the files on my laptop and then went on this random website that could remove the background from the photos. And from each of these photos, the background was removed. And then now all the images were ready. Now I could build like a Python app that used some computer vision libraries to do this. I used Cursor, as you can see, which is open on my laptop now. Cursor, which is now running the app, basically used MediaPipe to detect the different points on my mouth and on my face, and then based on what expression it detected, it would overlay one of the emojis that I had copied over to my laptop. So I had all these expressions, background removed, saved as PNG, transferred over to my laptop, and then I let the Python app basically use MediaPipe to detect the expressions on my face, and depending on what expression it detected, it would map it to one of these PNG files and overlay it on top of the video. And that's how we get this. And then of course the OBS setup to capture the app running and just the part that I needed. That's how I got this working. And as you can see, it's not very smooth. There's still a lot of work. That's probably something that I'll work on. And if I get something smooth and nice working, I can probably go beyond Animoji and maybe have other animated faces and masks on my face. If I can get something really nice working, I might actually share the repo with the code for this that anybody can run. It's quite simple. I've tested it on Mac, so anybody with a Mac who wants to stream like this, or anyone who's streaming on Twitch, can probably use this as well. I'm sure there are other free solutions. I know there are paid solutions, but if someone wants to build something like this on their own as a project, AI, ML, Python, coding, web dev, AI, ML, Python, coding, web dev. As I learn these things, I think it's good to learn in public, so the plan is to stream more often and upload more videos more often. So please like, please subscribe, and bye bye.